How to create a group email in Gmail. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a group email in Gmail. So let's get started. Now all you have to do is open the Gmail app or gmail.com on your devices and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now all you have to do is tap on the compose option available at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you tap on the compose, in the to field, type the name of your label or group. Gmail will autofill it, example typing team members, show your group, or you can simply individually write down their name. So here, write down their individual email addresses. Then once you do so, you can simply type down the email you want to send and it will go to everyone in the group, but individually you can send as much email to any people as much as you want from the two option available there. Then here, as you can see, I have entered the email address of the people I want to send this email to. So you can add as much as you want, obviously. Then now simply type down the email and tap on the send option available at the bottom left. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.